In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check best-selling products fast and easy. This is an essential skill if you're running an online store and want to stay on top of your sales trends. To get started, let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. If you're already logged into your site, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you usually manage your site content and plugins. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to look for the WooCommerce section. WooCommerce is the powerful e-commerce plugin that allows WordPress to function as an online store. You'll typically find it in the left-hand menu, and clicking on it will bring up a new list of options tailored specifically for managing your store. After you've clicked on the WooCommerce link, the next place you want to go to is Reports. This is where all the analytical magic happens. The Reports section provides an overview of your store's performance, offering insights on everything from sales numbers to product insights. By clicking on Reports, you're taking a deep dive into the data that can help fine-tune your business strategies. Now let's navigate to Sales by Product. When you click on this option, it refines your report to focus exclusively on the sales generated by each product. This section allows you to understand which products are performing well and contributing the most to your overall sales. Next, you want to click on Top Sellers. This tab provides a ranked list of products based on their sales figures. It's an invaluable tool for evaluating the popularity of each item in your store. Do you notice certain items consistently outranking others? This information could be very beneficial for making inventory decisions or planning marketing strategies. Once you're here, you'll be able to see a clear list of your best-selling products. It's all organized neatly, making it easy to identify which items are your top performers and possibly even recognize any patterns over certain periods. This insight can guide future business decisions, such as which products to promote heavily during sale events, or which items might need a promotional boost. Finally, if you're looking at your dashboard and see that it's empty, don't worry. This simply means there hasn't been enough sales data collected yet. In a new or small store, this is not uncommon. As your business grows, you'll start to see this screen fill with useful data. And there you have it. That's a quick and easy way to check your best-selling products using WooCommerce on WordPress. Knowing how to access this information can help streamline your business decisions and better tailor your offerings to meet customer demands. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.